Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm finally here with another Skims video. This is going to be a video on the Outdoor Basics 2 collection, I believe it's called. I wanted to film this last weekend, but something happened and I couldn't. So anyways, here I am. Hopefully most of this stuff is still in stock. I haven't checked, but okay, so I'm going to start with this first piece that I am currently wearing. It looks like this. Really, really cute, and I kind of want to go back and order this in the gray color now. I wasn't sure how it was going to fit, so I didn't want to order more than one and then like not like it and then have to return it and all that. So anyways, this is the mid-thigh bodysuit in the color Onyx, and I got a size extra small, and it has a mesh like lining in here, so it kind of acts as like there's a bra lining in there. And so if you don't want to wear a bra, then you don't have to, because it does have this like racer back look to it. Anyways, I really like the way that this fits. I think it's super comfortable and it's really cute, and I would literally wear this everywhere because it's the simplest thing, and you could put on some cute sneakers and then like some bracelets and a necklace and like have the cutest outfit ever. Okay, also forgive me for my hair. I washed it last night and didn't fix it, and postpartum hair loss sucks, I'm just gonna say. So if my bun looks all funky, it's because I was busy all day and I didn't want to fix it, and like I said, I washed it last night. But anyways, these next couple pieces, I really like these. I'm going to be wearing this like a lot in the winter time because it's actually like super thick, like really thick, and these leggings are like, they're like actual leggings. I don't know, like if you have the cotton rib and stuff, then you know that those are a thinner material that do feel more like a indoor type of, like I would wear them out, like I definitely would wear them out. But like this material, like you can like the string, you can hear how like thick it is, and I really like this, and this is what leggings look like. And I like these because I mean I'm short, but there's length down at the bottom of my ankles, and so these will be really cute to wear with boots or to like tuck in socks and wear some cute sneakers. This is the zip hoodie in Onyx in a size extra small. It comes down to about here on me, so right at my hips. And then the leggings are in the color Onyx, and I got these in an extra small. I normally get all my bottoms in an extra small, and then my tops in an extra small. Sometimes it just depends, but this fits perfectly. If I had gotten an extra small, the jacket would have been like probably way too tight, but the pants fit perfectly. Yeah, it does have a hood, a really nice hood, so it's like really thick, and this is gonna look cute to like layer with stuff. So I'm really excited about these two pieces, and I have two more pieces to show you, and then that will be it. So I will be right back. Okay, now these next two pieces, I like this gray color. I want to get the bodysuit in the gray color. I have on the Fits Everybody triangle bralette under this right now. This is the jacket, the same jacket I just tried on, but this one is in heather gray, and it's an extra small as well. And then these are actually the biker shorts, which I really want to get these in black and have them in both colors. But I like this because the gray has this part right here where it's like a different tone. I think that was a nice detail right here, and it does have the little Skims logo right there. And these biker shorts are in the same heather gray, and they're in a extra small, as well as the pants. So once again, I like to get my bottoms in an extra small, sometimes an extra small, depending on if I want a looser fit. But when it comes to like these types of items, I want them to be like as tight as possible, because I don't want to deal with what is it when it like you're constantly having to like pull it up and then you like wiggle it up because they keep dropping. I don't know what you call that, but that's why I like my pants to be a little bit tighter. So once again, I think this jacket fits perfect, and I don't have the longest arms in the world, but there is, like, I feel like my arms are decently long and there's a lot left over, so I'm not like going to be constantly trying to pull it down. but then there's enough length right there where you can pull it. You know, when you put on like a bigger jacket and you can't, your sleeve keeps getting caught up in it. So there is a lot of extra length like this to where you can pull it through if that matters to anyone at all. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna be it for this haul. I know that was really fast, but these were the pieces that stood out to me, and I love the bodysuit. I think the bodysuit is my favorite piece, but you can mix and match all this stuff, and I love all the colors. I want that bodysuit in gray now. So yeah. Anyways, I will have my measurements, height, sizes, collection, colors, all that stuff down below, like I've said in my previous Skims videos. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow me on all my socials, my Poshmark, my Instagram, and I will have those down below as well. And don't forget to subscribe and click that post notification bell so that you're notified every single time that I upload. And yeah, that's going to be the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.